What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Hello and welcome to Video Games Awesome Live. How was your Christmas vacation, everybody?
2010.
I don't care. All right, so let's start the game. This is typical of the. All right,
Okay,
I'm getting
so,
it first.
Kyle.
Now, Kyle.
Boom.
Pork.
Deacon.
There you go. Deacon gets Clank, and Ben will get the little furry.
Yeah, it's true.
All right, are we ready then? Everybody press X to lock it. Lock it in.
Locked in.
I'm
Locked
the
in.
bad guy, obviously. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna play
How does this work?
with you guys. It's saying just to move right now. We'll learn about all the things you guys are doing in a bit.
I like this button.
I have
Yeah.
these ones explode, so once you hit them, run away. Ow! It actually.
I like this.
We
No
have
one
to do it at the
reads.
same time, guys.
Oh, okay. No one
Ready?
reads instruction
Okay,
books
hold on.
anymore.
Wait, guys.
Oh, hold on,
No.
hold on.
Guys.
Hold on. Wait.
Okay,
It
ready?
did something different that time.
Oh,
Go for
yeah,
it.
yeah.
I guess it
I
had
guess we flipped that one out.
pity on us.
Hey-oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think he is.
That sounds amazing.
All right, guys. What are we doing
Hold on.
here?
Okay.
There we go.
Hey.
This is an interesting
Stop trying to wrangle Ben. Saying,
weapons together.
yeah, the damage bonus. Thanks there, Ben and Deacon. What do you got? All right.
Yeah. We're using our weapons together.
Woo! Yeah, L1 is great.
has just been
It's when you
sighted
side to
making
side.
its way towards the Luminopolis
Wouldn't
power
shimmy
plant.
around your
And
target.
it looks
But
robots
Shimmy
are
doesn't sound as
following.
manly as
They
War
must
Games,
be
so you
here
know.
for the
Straight.
route.
He's straight.
Shimmy left. Shimmy the shit point. Everybody shoot that one. Woo! Now shoot that one.
I don't know where I am. I'm really sucking at this game, actually. I've died more than everybody else, I think.
Whoa.
Here we go. This is a group battle. This is clearly going to be challenging.
Uh-oh.
Owie! How are we supposed to know that?
It
They started
lights up
glowing.
under
Yeah,
you.
they slightly glow.
Well, I'm dead. Hey, I'm back. Shit.
It's score-based,
And a lavish
apparently.
Meridian City retreat.
Like, there is no real dying.
Okay, so then the score is in the top
What are we missing
right-hand
here?
corner.
I died somehow.
Hey, we don't share our bolts
Nice.
totals, so whoever's... Ben's being a fucking hog.
I've got more bolts, but less points than everybody.
Because you get points for helping the team. You get bolts for being an ass.
You sure that's it?
Let me look it up.
To check the rulebook.
Do you get bolts for being an ass?
Yep.
It's official.
It's in there.
Damn it.
It's all
I
about
don't
getting
see my thing.
gold.
It's all about getting bolts.
Don't do
Points
anything.
are just for friendly competition, guys. You don't even need to worry.
No one was on that one! Yeah, I got two. Don't worry about it, guys.
Alright, we have to kill these things first. Deacon, get this.
Deacon,
Deacon.
Deacon,
Oh, God.
what are you
Yeah.
shooting at, Deacon?
No, the wrong one, Deacon. The other one.
Deacon! We all be shooting at the same one?
Oh,
right.
maybe? Oh, we can shoot these bolts of energy as they come towards us. Yeah. I'm dead.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
it's like
Ah.
Ghostbusters.
We'll do
That's
this.
true.
It's kind of like the State Puft Marshmallow thing going on here. We gotta knock them
You
off.
know that I said that?
Oh, did you?
Yeah, man, I said it's like
The group is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right
Now,
back.
are we all gonna start fighting Fraser now?
Yeah, really.
You caused all that.
Bonus bolts, please.
Whoa, Deacon, the
Ooh,
winner.
damn it.
Co-op points. It's like if whoever, like, I don't know what that means.
What is Ratchet?
He's actually the last of his kind in the universe.
Oh.
It's possible that he found his own
And
people by
Clank
now.
is some kind of squirrel?
Yeah. Clank is a squirrel. You fucking... Fuck.
Dispatching cleaner
Oh no.
bots.
Oh no, 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 no. What's happening now?
Oh,
Oh, God.
No!
everybody let go. Fuck.
Wait, how do I let go? Hey! Just your fingers were bigger than your
Initiating
penis.
tutorial program.
Um,
Alpha 2-4.
Cut them off.
That's a weird option, Becky. You're not a
What
guy,
are
are
you
you?
supposed to do?
I don't even know how to respond.
Fingers, you're an affront to my penis. You have to go.
I get the points.
Hey! No! No! What?
Hey!
Don't suck my butt!
I almost
Yep.
got it.
Oh, no. Oh, God.
Slicing our way through the game.
Dude, you only have like 700 points. Everyone has 2,000.
I'm a team player. Picture GLaDOS inspired.
How about a kick?
Hey, you jackass.
Deacon, you should have. Damn it, I tried to tether myself back on.
Uh-oh. I am out of ammo.
I am? No, Deacon is. Uh-oh. I'm useless to the team.
Suck that guy.
Ah.
Yeah. Suck.
Oh, you gotta
low
shoot.
smash.
You gotta shoot above. Yeah.
Grab your grenades.
Someone launch me.
Yeah.
No, you gotta launch.
Damn it.
Uh-oh. I'm useless to the team. Press square?
Yeah.
I know what a square is. All right. Shoot me. Okay.
Oh no. Ready?
Deacon, jump.
Razor, press X.
Shit. Fuck. Oh, we
we got
finished.
2,000.
No bonuses for me.
Damn it.
Deacon's the winner
Wow,
again.
Deacon.
It's kind of like the thing you do to the youngest sibling. Like the older siblings are better,
You're
but it's
just
like
jealous.
you were the
man.
best at cooperating with everybody. You did a good
Yeah,
job.
You're so jealous.
Yeah.
It hurts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Deacon's got a ×2 multiplier. Bullshit. Why?
Yeah.
Fraser and Kyle seem to be tied for death counts at
nice.
9, and Ben and Deacon at 6.
Thanks for
Someone
the
suck
teamwork,
me.
Ben and Deacon.
You're welcome. I'm just lying here. Oh crap.
Am I out of ammo?
Got ya. That might be how Deacon's getting kudos points. He's sucking everybody more than anyone else. I need sucking.
No.
Revive.
I need sucking!
Oh, you need to.
Guys,
I would like to offer you a reward.
you know, this game's pretty good for keeping things fresh the entire way. The entire,
It
like,
hasn't repeated itself at all.
yeah. You're learning new things to do improperly the entire way.
You guys are learning. Huh.
Why'd you press L3 already?
Look who's last.
Classic.
These we have to throw our things at,
Exploders.
or shoot at
cool
them maybe.
head.
Lava rocks break if damaged. Don't hit those.
Okay, so don't hit them.
But we'll get
That'll make us
bolts.
fall.
Bolts.
Don't hit those. Don't hit those!
Top down.
We're all wearing
No booties.
Yep.
How convenient. Guys, I'm the best player.
Futuristic school will
Stop it!
held in place by
Hey, oh, I'm down here now.
I like how we're all killing the bad guy. Ooh, look what I'm doing now.
Oh, God.
Let go, Ben. Go to them now.
Swing me, Fraser.
Oh.
Swing me, Fraser.
No, Deacon's cleaning up.
Yeah, yeah.
Get out of here, you little fucker.
Oh, Fraser.
What do we...
It said
we're
something
all
about press
standing here.
X, then press X again. Fraser just walked off the edge.
Oh, we can jump really far, so like you can. Here we go.
I think you're going that
Then
way.
what? I think
Quick, Ben, back!
maybe come back this way.
Yeah, I will. Guys, stop stealing my boxes.
What was that voice?
That was almost a whine.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's not a line if you have.
Woohoo, you got plus 200.
There you go. I think that's like the consolation
Man,
prize.
Deacon's
Being real selfish here.
close. Yes.
Deacon's the big winner. Are you proud of him?
Most co-op actions performed.
I'm proud of.
Oh, you can't do that.
What?
I think
Someone
you
put
need
me in
to
the
suck
butt.
and blow here, guys.
I am ready.
Okay, ready, Deacon?
Yep.
Aw. Suck those guys out.
Yeah. You guys, no!
Power to activate the bridge.
He's like,
All you need
eh?
is an open socket and some good aim.
Thanks a
Deacon.
lot, Deacon.
Way to go, you
dumb fuck.
bastard.
Poor guy.
Launched him off the edge.
And he'll still get the best co-op points.
Fraser!
I was watching another guy.
I was watching.
1,100 people are watching.
Go over.
Seriously?
Yes.
This massacre. What's wrong with you people?
Fraser, dude!
Get over here. Power through that concrete.
No! You always bank too hard! Stop banking! Oh.
Oh,
Ben